things as well, basically.
Choughs!
It's so good.
I think that's what they're getting. Nothing really.
Use your aerial power.
We might have a new main spring plot line called Pumps It Up. Everyone trying to kill each other and then two people lording it over and killing everyone
How
else.
is that different to now?
Okay, we'll just say the same the main spring plot line.
Come on, more violence, you guys.
Emote, damn you.
Maybe it's expecting food.
Possibly.
I think give food to things with no eyes,
I have
or red
a
eyes.
in my bag, but they want food.
Jared, don't feed birds anything from your bag.
It's only what,
It's just like
years
this
old?
disease spreads through them. There's a massive wipeout.
What, the tuna's only like 3 years old.
Unexpectedly.
Well, the magpies seem to have settled down.
They're happy up there.
Actually, I bet if you throw them a big bit of food, you'd start the fight again.
As I said, I'll throw the can of tuna.
Sure,
You're gonna hurt the poor thing.
Okay, I'll just throw the tuna without the can.
My statement's still standing. So how long